Hello. All I want a little thinking bumble hole when I like Jamaican people. Kiss me Ross. On a blood clot, you know. Once up top, up top, up top. All that blood clot ganja smoke of them smoke and bake sticky, aka green shit. Up top. You see me? Now see the now Jamaican people back in a blood clot place to pussy clot. I wanna know say when me come back in the blood clot place, you know say somebody I go get beaten today, not sure. Eh? Them I go get beaten in a them blood clot. Now me know so now sit back and I wonder who I go get beaten in a them blood clot today. Now before we get into it, we are going to smoke and bake. All I ganja smoke of them, blaze up. See? All I drink of them, drink up. See? All I blood clot woman when I get up this morning and I prime up your pussy up top. Pussy clean, drawers clean, every blood clot thing clean on the Sunday, you know, sure. Up top. All them man when I get up out of some pussy right now. Me say, Lord guys. Me say, wow. You see it? Up top. Kind of nip you just to. Yes, give thanks, Father God. Father God, assign give thanks, Father God. See that? Yeah, man. Nice, we get up this morning to blood clot and have a good spliff in your blood clot mouth. You get me? Yeah, man, that's how you think, said. Yeah, man, let me see, I like ganja smoke of them. Smoke up. Yeah, man, smoke up and blood clot bake up. That's where they with it. See me, I say? Before Jamaican people get into him, I get into myself, smoke up and blood clot bake up. Catch your vibes. Catch your vibes right now, man. Soon as you see that video, you pop up, you roll up, pause it, put it on pause, and roll the fuck up. You see me, I say? Real talk. Some of you way I run to my video when I put up yesterday, while me I drive go work. And I burn some herb. When you come to me shit and I talk about say you concern. You concern for me. Because me I drive down the street and I burn my herb. If you no legal, you stay out of my blood clot business. Mine no one bumbo clot business. Bumbo clot. Me no fucking in my Ross clot business I can talk about. Well, you know, is it legal? So what if you no blood clot legal? So what? What the fuck you worry about me and my bumbo when me get the ticket them? You go help me pay them? You go help me pay them? Blood clot can ask me which state me live in now. And I need to know mama. That's the state me live in now, no blood clot. Is it illegal to smoke blood clot ganja and I need your mama? Oh no bumbo wall, you know. Me tell you say no come face yourself with me is a face the fucking boy. Okay? Me rank. Fuck. Me no blood clot no come to me thing unless me rank. Me rank no bumbo wall. Me so rank to pussy clot the smell can't come off of me. Me rank. You fuck. Not even ram goat ring like me, blood clot. Now first of all, if you no little stinking bumbo wall we come down the video today. Go down underneath your stinking mama. Don't give a fuck. Whatever me say out of my mouth, if it hurt you, fuck you. You get to me I say? Some of you way I run to Jamaican P shit on like a 1 day subscriber. On like a 2 day subscriber, on like a 3 day subscriber, on like a 1 month subscriber, and 1 week subscriber, and subscribe from half of my blood clot shit pussy. It all on Bumbo will start and unsubscribe right now when this is fucking video. Fuck you not subscribe to me shit just because me say something wanna like. As soon as me say something about somebody wanna like to pussy clot and sound good, unsubscribe. All that little bitch there. What one can say me mention talk about Jamaican thing. You know what? You know say me subscribe to you. I mean watch you. And you know what since you say something about spice. You know say me unsubscribe. Bitch go suck your mother. You fucking germs. Bitch you don't see your germs anyway. You don't see your fucking germs, bitch. And if you watch me this morning, bitch go clean your pussy and get your son dick in your mouth. Your bum buckle at your bitch. You know the fuck you could talk about. Me unsubscribe from your stuff. Bitch who gives a fuck after you don't pay my bills? Bitch, you not pay nothing over yourself. No. No bumbo clot, you don't think me give a fuck. Me no give a fuck when one of you unsubscribe, guess what? 5 more come subscribe and 6 and 10 and 13 more come subscribe. Move your bumbo clot. Fucking germs, Fuck. Yeah, me no pet and powder no pussy all over yourself. Bumbo hole. Some of the girl on the run come subscribe to me shit with your 1 day blood clot draws where your blood clot wear bitch. Change your pussy clot just before you come subscribe to me shit, bitch. And know where your blood clot stand and know which part your blood clot place that. Fuck. Some of you know abide and city. That's why I run to my shit. And you can't play blood clot dudes over here, so. You have to left the blood clot area. Bumbo clot. I'm here on a bumbo clot landlord over here. So if you fuck can't pay no bills, I don't feel like so. Get the fuck on. We don't give a fuck about no bumbo clot. No, first of all, I want to say the angel. Bless up yourself here, mama. Me said the angel. Me say make sure you share that one here. The angel, what go on, sister? Come talk with Jamaican P real quick. What you deal with? Me say the angel, what go on? What you deal with? Now, you know, say the angel, me you see some sitting out of your mouth to rest clot. And me say, yes, girl. Me believe every blood clot thing you say. You see me, I say the angel, up top. You say it. Now, first of all, the angel, me last and me lose half of you. You know why? Because me no see how can a good looking girl like you go fuck a boy like Beenie, man. Why make you go fuck him again? Me said the angel, I want to know why make you have pity by the boy. Me said the angel, why make you have pity by a worthless bumbo clot boy like Beenie, man, when I buy no bed blood clot for him mama? And him mama still asleep on spring bed, you know? Me bumbo clot, you know, say people don't sleep on spring bed no more. People don't sleep on spring bed no more, motherfucker. Bumbo clot. Bed not have spring no more. If me care you going to my blood clot house right now, Jamaican P, thank God. Him bless me if you come America to pussy clot and get opportunities pussy clot to come live up and grow up now. I mean have to sleep on floor and spring no blood clot more. Feel me bed where me depend? No spring a blood clot. Me can't jump up and down and it's the same place which party there. So the angel you go fuck a blood clot worthless boy to pussy clot with him worthless nuts. You get to me, I say, cause Beenie man, you're nuts worthless. You're bumbo clot. You know, first of all, boy, you run around and have a whole for blood clot pity them. If I pity them, you can't blood clot take care of pussy hole. Cause you're not paying no blood clot what? Child support and you're not paying no income tax. So where will I money them there? Where the fucking money the boy? No, first of all, the angel. Me lose half of you because of that. Cause you fuck a worthless boy. Yeah? You should have known say boy not take care of blood clot mama. The angel, me know say you know, you know. The angel, me know say you know. Me know say you see say boy, not take care of blood clot mama. And you know say if a boy need not take care of mama, he need not take care of you. Now first of all, somehow no boy. We have pity with woman. Somehow no woman need to stop fuck your baby daddy. Stop fuck your baby daddy. Somehow no boy need to stop fuck your baby mother. And then when your baby mother don't want to give you the pussy no more, you catch feelings, When me can catch feelings again? Blood clot, the angel, me here say the boy still wants some my kunte kente. Me say the boy still a run down blood clot, the angel kunte kente. Dirty blood clot, boy, being a man where your lips look like a pussy clot rough road. Boy, you need some Vaseline on your pussy clot lips, boy. You need too much pussy for your rasta boy. Boy? Now you come tell us the angel no say you need pussy, you know. And you love fuck you woman them in them body boy. You think we don't know what go on? Now first of all, the angel, want say bless up yourself your sister, come take a walk with me talk to you. You know say the angel, you know say you know what? You know say a good thing you do. Yeah man, a good thing you do the angel, yeah man. Good thing you do. Because I'm going to tell you something the angel. If one artist see you do it, them a go blood clot do it too. And follow you. So, we see you get some food and some little things together and you bring some food and things, some people around the neighborhood or whatever the case may be. It look good. That's a good look, the angel. You see me I say? No matter what nobody wants to say about you, that's a good blood clot look. Because guess what now? Whatever body pussy will them say about you, know, the angel. See? God go bless you, you know. See? Your blessing will come. You get what me I say, the angel? A good look. See, a good blood clot look because you take time out of your time out of your day, see, just to do that. And not only that, why me respect you, the angel, see, me respect you now, you know. So me know why you go do something fuck up now and make Jamaican P get in your ass, you know, the angel. You get to me as a more, you listen to me, you know. Alright now, not a things. Not a thing why me really deeply respect you. Eh? Me feel say you're a good woman. You see me I say? And Beenie man, him still want pussy cause him still say you're a good woman. You want know? The angel me can't tell say you know one bad mind girl, you know? Me can't tell say you know one girl where hold your pitney from them father. I want blood clot pitney the angel get. And if you don't notice, the angel have no more pitney. No found no blood clot girl out there to pussy clot and have 5 and 6 and 7 blood clot pitney. I want blood clot pitney the angel have and she not have no more. Apparently she not go get no more. She smart no blood clot. The angel, big up her blood clot self, yeah, here. Real shit. You see me I say? No here one now. It seems like the little youth spend a lot of time with his mother. See? Now the angel, me I go fault you for one thing only. Make the boy, all when Beenie man no want the boy to come, make the little boy go spend time with his daddy. You understand what me I say, the angel? Me know you not hold him back still, you know. Cause the boy Beenie man now come round to spend much time with him blood clot youth. Just like when you treat him blood clot mama, I see him when you treat him pussy clot pitney them. You get to me I say, the angel? No, come on. Take a blood clot walk, come on. Cause we have to talking. You know no weed? You know smoke weed? But take a drink then, no man. Me and you talk today. On Sunday, yeah. So, the angel, you want to know. See, you want to know. You want to know. This is how we say. See, real shit. Come know you watch me now. Up top. Make sure the blood clot share the video so the angel can see that one. You see? The angel, this is Jamaican P. Up top. You never meet before. Lord gosh! No, you do. You see me, Azem? No, you want to know. The only thing me fault you for the angel is that me no give a fuck if a pussy him a fuck or a pussy him a blood clot, nyam or a bat him a fuck. You get to me I say the angel? But simple mean say that is a boy pitney. You get to me I say? That is a boy pitney. Some boy pitney then need them poop around them for teach them manly things. No, the angel, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what me respect you now. You teach the boy something that his father should not teach him. You understand what I say? See? Here one now. The little boy say, everything him know, I'm mother teach him. Yeah. So that means say, the little boy mind, no bad mind, like when daddy blood clot mind, bad mind. The little boy say, oh, time blood clot about everything, me know, and my mother teach me. The angel, bless up yourself. See? Me like how you teach the little boy responsibility. Responsibility is a good thing because responsibility get you a long way. You get what me I say? But I'm going to tell you where me fault you, the angel. Him is a boy pitney. Him need to go spend time with him dirty pooper. You get what me I say, the angel? Me say you need to go drop him the fuck off and make him spend time with him dirty thinking what is pooper. Bumbo clot. Because the angel, I'm going to tell you this, you know. If you keep the little boy around you too much, you're going to turn up one suck dick. Yeah. Him a go turn up and want suck dick. And him a go want man fuck him in him body. Because they run him mother too much. And him a learn too much of girly shit. The angel, you need to stop make your son do too much of what you do. And not teach him everything. Because you don't know everything. Where woman know, woman know. Where man know, man know. See? Now, we have to make the little boy grow up to be a man, you know. We don't want him grow up to be no little girl. You get to me as a the angel? Okay? So me no want some woman uno get pregnant and uno that pray for one girl pitney and uno no get no girl pitney. So uno blood clot though, uno blood clot get a little boy pitney them and treat a little boy pitney like girl pitney. The angel, I mean no want me come back and get in your ass. You get what me I say? Me say fi pack him up to mama bumbo clot and put him pampers and send him go straight and papa yard. Make a dirty boy take your blood clot pitney. Cause pussy will not do nothing blood clot mama, you know. Look on the blood clot walker cane or walker stick when I him blood clot mama. And mama should have in a new brand blood clot electric wheelchair. And that the walker there's a blood clot all. Pussy hole, you need to buy your mother a new brand walker. You fucking germs. It don't make no sense, dog. Look on the dirty blood clot white girl you look on. I don't know where I look on for. I see man there. See man there. You know, say the boy they come park in my spot one time and tell the boy if you moving blood clot car. And The boy, you know, moving car blood clot. You know, moving blood clot car. Boy, come out to pussy club, go knock on the boy, do and tell the boy, say, yo, you know, on my parking spot that in the dog, and I just on my park, you know. Boy, just move over here, you know. And then Chris car, you know, and him pay front in my front and rear. So I tell the boy, knock on the boy, do and tell the boy, say, yo, come move your car, man. The boy say, what? You come knock on my family blood clot, you come wake up me and my family about move car. And I go on the most way, and I say, pussy, what you do? So boy, go like you want to run up on me, because so whoops and draw for the thing. And I say, pussy, if you come no further, you get two out of this blood clot, yeah. Boy, I just come out of prison too, you know. And I say, look, pussy, well, I know you're pro line with blood clotting, pussy, well. You think you can't fuck with me? You can't fuck with me a bum buckler, because I make sure say you go right back there, so. You see it? Couple more, about a month later, that the car there, them take out that blood clot from them pussy clot, see, you know. Man, a dirty girl a blood clot walk. That's why I say some people, you allow them. If you see them go about them blood clot business, allow them. Make them go about them blood clot business. You get me? I say, yeah man, dirty blood clot girl, the angel. Me say dirty girl, me sorry. My name is if you call you. Dirty boy, Beenie man. You bumbo clot, you dirty stinking blood clot, what this boy, the angel. Me say, the boy have how much pussy clot pitney? So my fans them tell me say to pussy clot, them your mama live right down the street from you. And you mean to tell me say that the old blood clot walk a stick the way you give for your mother for walk, learn for walk, pussy wall. Pussy wall, and if you send your mother go a chiropractor so she can get her bones them back together, pussy wall, and you need to pay for it. Your blood clot, yo. See it now? You run round to pussy clot and not a child support and a blood clot pay. You do all the crime in, you pay a motherfucker for go kill motherfucker and all them shit in the boy, you know, get no catch cause he's a snitch. You bumbo clot, you too blood clot what this boy. The angel, you me say you fuck a what this boy to blood clot, me no know how make you fuck him. And the boy still want the pussy cause guess what now the angel I breed him one breed it again. Me say the angel no. No give him the pussy, no, not no more. I breed the boy want breed it again. So him can hold it down. No make him come hold it down. He hold it down the first blood clot time. Now we can come hold it down a blood clot again. That little nasty blood clot dreadlocks boy. Hey boy, Beenie man no looking at me around the same, no look the same. Pussy wall, you know say no look the same. Your blood clot balls and tripe them a swell up on you. Hey, Beenie man sick, you know? You know say Beenie man sick. Oh no fuck tan, how can a blood clot maga boy like that got such a big blood clot belly? Then I must breed him a blood clot breed. Then I must breed him a breed. Oh no fuck tan there. Me I see blood clot candy in a hospital. You know see a wobia then wobia blood clot candy. You know see what I go on? Me say candy. Your blood clot, your wobia then wobia your bumbo clot girl. You know see doctor can't find what wrong with your blood clot. Candy listen to Jamaican P girl. I wobia them wobia you're not sick. I kill them, I try kill a girl. You fuck, you better stop put on people shoes and stop put on people blood clot clothes. You fuck for no. And watch who you take money from and watch who you nyam from. Bumbo clot, I kill them, I try kill a girl. You know see you there doctor and they come like say you're maga down even more. Candy, I wobia them wobia you. I dopey depend you my girl. Remember me tell you that, hey, wanna forget some money together dog and carry girl got blood clot wobia man dog. See? Dopey depend the catty dog. Wanna say girl a maga down more. Wanna see what I go on. Bumbo clot make Jamaican people tell you know what blood clot go on. Me know the blood clot remedy. Wanna better come over here so me tell you the blood clot remedy. Candy, me say I wobia them wobia you. Doctor can't find nothing wrong with your blood clot. You see? The only way you go get better if you got a wobia man and you have to have some money. See? That's the only way you go be able to get it up here for you. Can you not see up here rice here and yam? You say you can't sleep at night time, girl. When I last time your blood clot sleep, Candy? Oh. Fuck for no. Yeah. You know who this a boy. No, say no me my contract still. Yes, man, Candy sick no blood clot people. Candy sick like a blood clot dog, Candy. Let me tell you something, girl. I wobia them wobia your bumbo clot. You hear me? The angel, listen to what Jamaican P say. I'm glad you come tune in and have a talk with Jamaican P. You see me I say? All I want a little bad mind pussy will we suck Beenie man dick continue suck it. Okay, shut! You know, now mama bumbo clot time for me go get dressed and go make this money. Put in my blood clot pocket cause some of sound like a lazy blood hole. Eh? Wanna not have nothing. Wanna can't get nothing. Up top.